All right, welcome back. We've got 15 minutes to get your note sheet filled out for today. Same thing as yesterday. You're going to fill out your note sheet, your note packet today, just because they're a little bit more work to show. I don't think it's too many questions, though. It's only 15. Might take you a little bit longer than yesterday, but that's a good thing. So we're going to review systems today. Remember, systems involve the equations of two different lines. The solution is wherever they intersect. So if they don't intersect, they're parallel and there's no solution. You also theoretically could have just the same line on top of each other, and so that's infinitely many solutions, but I don't think we'll talk about that too much today, but who knows? I might be surprised. All right, so the first systems that I want to look at are just two equations, and so you got two different slopes, m equals -1 and m equals 1, and two different y-intercepts, b equals -4 and b equals -2. So we're going to graph the two separate lines. First, I've got a y-intercept of -4, the slope of -1, so I'm going up 1 and over 1, making sure that my line goes down and to the right. If you remember from before, it's good to show as many points as possible when doing these, because then we can know what the intersection point is before we ever even graph them. The other one, you got a y-intercept of -2. Maybe I'll do a different color just to make it easier. Y-intercept of -2, and we're up 1 and over 1, or down 1 and over 1. So it's pretty obvious where the intersection point is supposed to be. Go ahead and connect the dots. And then your solution is wherever they intersect. So this one intersects at -1, comma, -3. Next one here, we've got a slope of 1 and a y-intercept of 2, a slope of 6 over 1, and a y-intercept of -3. So here's my y-intercept of -3. We're going up 6 and over 1. Just 2 points there that I can show. The other one, y-intercept of 2. We're going everybody makes mistakes, huh? The slope is 6 over 1, so we're going up 6 and over 1. My fence, I'm recording at 10:50 p.m. And switching back to green. Oh, that's still wrong. Goodness gracious. All right, so we're going up 6 and over 1. There it is. And then for our other one, we're up 1 over 1, so we're going to intersect right there. Let's go ahead and draw our two lines. One is there. Other one is there. And clearly they intersect right there at 1, 3. Hopefully you can be a little bit neater with yours. It's kind of hard because my straight edge slides around on the Chromebook. Next one, you get a y-intercept of, a slope of 1/2 and a y-intercept of 4. Other one, you got a slope of -3/4 and a y-intercept of -1. So here's -1, up 3 and over 4, down 3 and over 4. Hopefully we intersect at one of those 2 points. y-intercept of 4. Slope is 1 over 2, so we're going down 1 over 2, down 1 over 2. Found my intersection point. Go ahead and graph. I didn't go down 3. I am struggling today. Oops. That's better. Intersection point is -4, 2. Did we do an intersection point for both of those? Yes, we did. All right, number 4 here. Y-intercept. The slope is 3 over 2. Y-intercept of 2. Slope is -1/2. Y-intercept of -2. So we got -2, up 1 over 2, up 1 over 2, down 1 over 2, down 1 over 2. Again, that's a negative slope, so it's going down and to the right. Looking at our other points, y-intercept of 2. Going down 3 and over 2, found our intersection point. Go ahead and add in any other points just so that we can make sure we draw a straight line. And we can already see that we're going to intersect at -2, -1. -2, -1. One more graphing. Slope is 3/4. Y-intercept is 4. Slope is -1 over 2. Y-intercept is -1. Up 1 over 2. Down 1 over 2. I'm just going to graph the line for now. And then y-intercept of 4. Down 3 over 4. Intersecting right through there. And we're good to go.